Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jill's family. Merry Christmas to all of you and your family. Hope you're healthy and stay safe. This is the Christmas night show in Phoenix, Arizona, where we currently live. The capital city is Phoenix. In Arizona, the most of areas has a long, hot summer. But the winter is nice and beautiful. Also, it is the place where the snowbirds come in to stay in winter. We still wear shorts, t-shirts at noon. The temperature would be going down in the morning and nighttime. You and your family are welcomed to come in for vacation in winter if you get a chance. Actually, we have 4 to 5 weeks walking around light show during the holiday season every year. There are where art show, children plays, varied food from different cultures. But this year, because the COVID-19, the light show by drive-through instead. But it is still not inferior to the festive atmosphere, bring a lot of joy to the people. Okay, enjoying. I'll see you next video.
Hi everyone, Merry Christmas. This is the Christmas light show in Arizona where we are currently living. Phoenix is the capital city of the state of Arizona. Hope you and your family have a wonderful holiday season. Enjoy the light show. Bye. See you in the next video. Goodbye.